Welcome everyone from What's on the Table. This is Prof G and you are watching another episode of Graded, the show wherein we're not just going to unbox or review a particular statue, collectible, or figure. We are actually going to give it a grade at the end of each video. So for this episode, we are going to grade two McFarlane figures. We have Venom and Spider-Man, and we are being joined by two of the most influential, going to be influential
Claim.
personalities in the toy community. We have Sir Mike of MG Collectibles and Toys and Miss Nicole, also part of their marketing team. Hello, Mike, and hello, Nicole.
Hello!
Hello guys!
Ayan. So, what we're going to do right now is we are going to unbox this Spider-Man and Venom. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, baka mamaya kasi a lot of people will be, mixed reactions kasi. Unbox meaning tatanggalin natin siya sa box. Not a lot of people tinatanggal yung mga figures na to sa box.
Correct.
Pero ikaw, Mike, what's your take on that? Ikaw ba, pag nakakita ka ng collectible, you unbox it? Tinatanggal mo siya sa box or keep it in the box?
Depende eh. Ito gusto ko dito sa box lang siya. Pero yung mga other items ko, yung mga statues, gusto ko syempre nakalabas siya sa box. Tapos walang glass cabinets. Gusto ko kitang-kita ko. Pero ito kasi, maganda siya sa loob ng box, kita siya, tapos may background siya sa likod. Yun yung kinaganda nito eh. Oo.
And ikaw, Nicole, ikaw ba, familiar ka ba dito sa mga, of course, familiar ka kay Spider-Man and Venom?
Yes. I know si Spider-Man, but si Venom, I don't really know. Actually, wala akong idea sa mga ganito, sa mga Marvels.
So, this is the first time na parang na-educate ka na in the
Yes.
world of toy collecting.
Yes.
And this is a McFarlane toy. Just to give you a little bit of history, McFarlane actually is nakilala siya for doing Spawn action figures. And this one, they're kind of, meron silang license for DC, may license sila for Marvel. And this one, Sir Mike, these two figures, nasa MG Collectibles and Toys na to right now, di ba?
Yes, oo. Nandito na siya sa MG Toys and Collectibles. Hindi lang DC, tulad na sabi mo, hindi lang siya DC, hindi lang Marvel, pati iba pang mga McFarlane toys meron na sa MG Toys.
Okay, sige. Between these two, tatanungin ko si Nicole, between these two figures right now, which one do you prefer?
I prefer, of course, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Pero,
Yun lang kasing kilala mo.
yun yung kilala mo. But which one do you prefer opening first?
Oh, I want to open this one. Kasi mas
Si Venom.
malaking...
Si Venom
siya.
muna.
Yeah.
Sige, okay.
Si Venom yung kalaban ni
Spider-Man. Mostly. Pero right now kasi, you didn't watch Venom the movie?
No.
Oh no! Okay. Pero kasi Venom na sometimes, it's like anti-hero siya eh. Not really necessarily always a villain. Pero anti-hero siya. Pero sige, for your preference, i-unbox muna natin si Venom.
Alright.
Okay. Paggawa natin ng unboxing si Nicole kasi parang first niya.
Sige.
And then you'll
Sige,
unbox
sige.
Spider-Man.
Oo.
Okay, sige. Go ahead, Nicole. Tingnan natin kung paano ka mag-unbox ng Venom.
Tignan natin kung ma-open ko siya. So, first time ko mag-unbox ng ganitong laruan. Kasi ang ina-unbox ko lang dati talaga, Barbie, Bratz,
Bratz.
yeah.
Mukhang napag-ahalataan ng age gap nating mga nandito sa studio. Ayan, na-unbox na ni Nicole. So, Nicole, what do you think?
I think it's very maangas.
Pero yan kasi, it's very tricky kasi I think there's a, parang wire.
May mga ano siya, very secure guys. And meron din siyang card.
May card siya sa likod.
Yan. It looks like yung, yung magazine cover or comic
Yeah,
book cover.
Mga comics.
Comic book cover, no?
Parang bro, nung bata tayo na text cards.
Yeah.
Oo.
What I've noticed also nung I carried both boxes. Venom has more weight, Obviously, mas malaki yung katawan niya. Parang mas mabigat si Venom compared to si Spider-Man. And ano yan, parang may diorama rin siya sa likod, background,
May background siya.
So, Mike, ito, while you're opening this, and si Nicole na rin, collectors kasi, sometimes, they prefer, yung toys and figures nila, hindi nila binubuksan or hindi nila nilalabas sa box. You, as a bago ka sa world of collecting, What's your opinion on that? Yung mga taong they want it preserved instead of binubuksan.
Personally kasi ako, gusto ko nakalabas siya sa box because I want to see the beauty of it. I want to enjoy it. So kapag nakalagay lang siya sa box and may barrier, hindi ko masyado nakikita yung ganda ng item. So gusto ko naka-display talaga siya. And I enjoy unboxing talaga.
Meanwhile,
See, the good part naman about this one is, ayan, nilagay na ni Nicole doon sa background. Ang ganda niya pala pag nakalabas and then
Talagang-
may background. Let's try to unbox naman itong si Spider-Man. Kasi I remember, sinabi mo sa akin before unboxing, sabi mo sa akin, gusto mo silang pagtabihin eh.
Yes. Gusto kong makita yung diorama nila. Yung diorama gusto ko makita. Pag magkasama sila.
Alright, sige, let's unbox si Spider-Man. So while Mike is unboxing si Spider-Man, so Nicole, since ito, you're not so much familiar of si Venom, mas familiar ka kay Spider-Man. What do you think of si Venom as one of the, villains in the Spider-Man universe? Yan, nakikita mo right now.
Parang siyang si Spider-Man talaga, but in black version.
Tama.
Parang siyang, this is the good side and the bad side.
Yeah, that's basically how it is. Oh, ganun lang siya. That's basically how it is. Ayan. So, nakikita ko na yung difference, no? So, si Spider-Man, may swinging action na nangyayari.
Wow.
Alright, so Nicole is going to take out the card. Ayan, Nicole is going to show it. Goods. Alright, so this one naman, I'm kind of curious, Mike, no, how it's going to stand. Kasi
may
nasa
stand siya eh.
swinging action eh. Pero parang hindi halata eh. Actually, looking at it right now, I take back what I said. So a lot of people will probably open this and then display it. Kasi looking
Ako
at
rin,
it right
ganun na
now, ang ganda niya. Open. Alright, sige. Pag ano natin yan. So Spider-Man, swinging action. So thoughts on this, Mike? So you have Venom and Spider-Man. Ako, I have my answer to this question. Between the two, which do you prefer? Design-wise, build, color, etc. The diorama, the background, which one do you prefer?
Si Venom.
Venom.
Si Venom ako. I'm a fan of Spider-Man pero mas maganda yung pagkakagawa kay Venom. Lalo na yung teeth niya. Sobrang detailed siya eh. Yung mga niya, yung color niya on point din. Yung base mas okay din compared dito kasi medyo simple lang eh. Oo. Pero Spider-Man is still Spider-Man, mas marami pa ring fun to. But for the design and concept, I'll go with Venom.
Nice. How about you, Nicole?
For me, Spider-Man because I like the pop of color. So kapag dinisplay ko siya, magpa-pop out talaga siya.
Pwede.
Ako, ang answer ko dyan is, I'm actually torn eh. May good and siya eh. May good side siya both eh. Si Venom has some weight and yung build niya mas malaki, di ba? The pose is kind of simpler. Si Spider-Man is dynamic pose yan. And I appreciate na they did the whole swinging action. But between the two, I would say also si Venom. Kasi for some reason, I'm really attached to the whole anti-hero, Parang hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa heroes eh. But since we're in an episode of Graded, and this is a partnership with MG Collectibles and Toys, which, by the way, I'm gonna remind everyone watching right now, these McFarlane toys are available in MG Collectibles and Toys in, pakisabi Mike, asan tayo? Sa Parkal Mall, give them some directions on how to get this.
Yes, you can go to Unit 202, Banig Building, Parkal Mall, Asiana City.
Yeah. So while they're searching for that right now in a different tab in the browser, since we're in an episode of Graded, we are going to grade Venom and Spider-Man up to 10. 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. And please use decimal points para tayo. Of course, there's no such thing as a perfect toy, perfect figure. Let's be objective. So, una tayo kay Nicole. Venom, rate from 1 to 10, and Spider-Man, rate from 1 to 10.
For me, si Venom, I'd rate it actually pretty high. I'd rate it 8.5 kasi yung details niya from the back, like yung stretch ng muscles, may kita niyo talaga. So, maganda siya. But, since ang choice ko talaga is si Spider-Man, I'd rate this 9. Kasi I really like the pop of color and yung iconic na swinging pose niya. And eto talaga kasi napanood ko na movie. So, 8.5, 9.
Nice. How about you, Mike?
Okay, I will start first with Spider-Man. Si Spider-Man nga, yun nga, dynamic siya. Color is beautiful with some shadowing. Yan, from the thighs. And, of course, yung base maganda rin naman. I will rate Spider-Man as 8.5. 8.5. Then, for Venom, as Nicole said, yung details ng muscles, yung teeth, yung base, yan. And, yung pagka-action pose niya, gustong-gusto ko. Medyo manly kasi yung dating niya. And, for this, I will rate it as 9.
Baliktad. So, 8.5, 8.5, 9.9. Magkabaliktad nga lang yung grade nyo. Okay.
Oo.
But ako, objectively, these are very good figures. I mean, you can't go wrong if you want to buy one or the other or both. Mas maganda both kasi you partner it na, di ba? I would grade si Venom nasa mga 8.7, 8.8 range. Because I have to consider the price eh. The price is 2,000 pesos lang with that build. And then si Spider-Man maybe at around 8.3, 8.4. Just because, biased lang ako kay Venom because I like the character more than si Spider-Man. Okay, right now, ang ganda ng ginawa niyo, pinagtapat niyo silang dalawa. Swinging action and then si Venom is like he's grabbing Spider-Man. Alright, so this one, what can we expect pa from MG Collectibles and Toys when it comes to McFarlane lineup?
Actually, not only McFarlane, we will also going to have others items such as Gundam, ganyan, yung mga affordable toys para sa mga collectors natin dito sa Pilipinas. And sa McFarlane, there will be a lot more like from DC. Mas marami pa mga parating ngayon na mga pre-orders. Guys, pwede kayo mag-pre-order sa MG Toys and Collectibles. We're not just selling on-hand items, but also those pre-order items. Just visit our page. Yun.
And I can attest to that because sometimes I call Mike personally and I ask him, Mike, do you have this? And he rarely says no na wala siya. He's always going to say, I'll get you one. I'll find you one.
Siyempre,
There's
customer
always a
service.
way. All right. Okay. So that's it. This is a very good graded episode with Mike and Nicole of MG Collectibles and Toys. So I just gonna give you a big reminder for everyone, especially right now when you're watching this. This is like the perfect gift. In any occasion, 2,000 pesos per figure. I mean, you can't go wrong on this one. This is available at MG Collectibles and Toys. The details of their social media is included on the screen and the description below and the address as well. So, thank you guys, Mike and Nicole, and see you all on the next
Thank you, guys.
episode.
Thank you.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Cut.